So Josh, what are you doing here today?
We're clearing the ducts,
Yeah.
ready for the cablers.
Right. So is this the BT ducting then?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you're clearing the cables for what?
We're clearing the ducting, ready
Yeah.
for the cables for the fibre optic.
For the fibre optics, but obviously that's just your job, just clearing it and putting rope in and that lot, so they can get
Clear
the
it, rope
cable
it.
in there.
They come after us and tie to the rope, pull it through, and Bob's your uncle.
Right. How long are you stuck round here for?
Well, I've been up here a couple of weeks.
Have you? Have you got to do the whole estate then, or
We're doing the whole area.
the whole area?
Yeah.
So do you have to travel from Redditch all that way then?
Yeah, every day.
Oh, dude, that's no joke, is it? How long does it take you to get here
It's
then?
about 1:30 in the morning, and anything up to a couple of hours on
Yeah.
the way back with the traffic and that.
Do you go down the motorway then?
Yeah,
Get on the motorway.
M42, the car park,
Right.
as we call it.
Well, I hope all the Tibshelf people are being friendly with you.
Oh yeah, they're very friendly actually. Yeah,
Yeah.
nice people.
Right, so let's hopefully soon that fibre optic will be coming to Tibshelf soon.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.